Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to go ahead and make money online using the Bybit P2P section. It's very easy, and one thing you need to know is in order for you to make money from the Bybit P2P section, you need to make use of huge capital, all right? Because if you're making use of just little capital, you might not actually see the profits. You might think it's very little and all. So you want to make use of huge capital, right? To invest in the for now for you to make money from the Bybit P2P, right? So basically, it's not easy, and also you need to know that it's not easy as it seems. So in order for you to get started, I'm sure most of you might actually know how to get to the P2P section. But if you don't know, on the home section on the app, you click on more. Then from more, you're gonna see the buy crypto section. Click on P2P trading. So now on this P2P trading, this is what you need to know in order for you to make money from the Bybit P2P. It's very easy. What you need to do is to buy low and sell high. It's very easy. It's a very, very easy something. All you have to do is to buy low and sell high. So currently you can see this is the buy section on the uh, P2P section. For example, you can see people are actually selling on the buy section for $1. They are selling one USDT for $1. If you go to the sell, you'll notice people are selling one USDT for 1.2, which is a lot. Right? You can see this person is buying your USDT from you like 1.07. You can see different price. So this is how you leverage on the price differences. So all you just have to do is, so basically this is USD. If I change it to my local currency, let me see if my local currency is available. Let's change to Naira. All right, so by changing now, you can see it right here. People are buying for 1,253. So if I go to the sell, you notice that people are selling for 1,256. You can see it. So it's just three three naira difference. Just 3 naira difference. It's very little. But one thing you also need to know is you can keep on doing this as much as you like, right? You actually get tired, right? So basically, this one you're actually seeing ineligible is because my account is not verified and all. So you need to make sure you've completed a KYC in order for you to be eligible for this. All right. So you can see this one. It says I'm eligible 1,253. If I can buy from this particular user, if I buy from this particular user, saying insufficient. I don't know what it's talking about. So let me try another user. So you can see this one is selling for 1,254, which is very small. The profit might seem a little bit small, but one thing you need to know is this is what we call arbitrage. This is what we call P2P arbitrage, just leveraging on the little price differences in the market. So this is how you make money. Make sure you verify your Bybit account, and once you verify your account, all you just have to do is to go ahead and buy. I'm trying to buy currently, but I don't know what. Okay, it's unlocked. So I'll just come into this fire section and input the amount in Naira. I'll just say, for example, I'll say $10. Okay, this person is selling maximum of 2,200. Okay, so I can only buy this amount of USDT from this person, just one quantity. I think this person is selling just one USDT, which is small. So if I click on buy, I'm going to have to deposit money into this person's account. So I have to deposit this amount of money into the person's account, and it's going to buy. So once I buy at this price, I'll come back to the sell section and sell to anybody on this particular page. So wherever I sell this cryptocurrency to, I'm going to make 2 naira. I know 2 naira is small, but imagine you doing it every single time and doing it for a large quantity. Or I don't, this is just one USDT, right? I'm just buying one USDT. I'm making 3 naira. So if imagine if you're buying, maybe if you're buying about 20 USDT, or you're buying 100 USDT, or you're buying 200 USDT or 500 USDT, you'll be making huge profit. Let's say for example you may be making about 5,000 to 10,000 naira from just a single trade with that huge capital. So that is it on how to make money on the Bybit P2P. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. If you did, kindly subscribe and also don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.